Did you know that in the UK, around 150,000 cars are stolen every year and another 500,000 written off? When buying a car, you never think the worst could happen. But do you know how much your motor insurer would pay if your car was stolen or written off? It's likely only to be the current market value, which could be a lot less than what you paid for it originally. And unless you're prepared to fund the difference yourself, you would only have what your insurer pays out to put towards buying a replacement vehicle. This could leave you with a financial headache. And if your car was purchased on finance, you might be left with an outstanding balance to repay. Wouldn't you prefer to be back in a better financial position than that? The good news is, if your vehicle is written off or stolen and declared a total loss by your motor insurer, our gap insurance will cover the difference between the current market value and the net invoice price you paid for it, or any outstanding finance balance, whichever is greater. We hope this short video has shown you how important gap insurance is in protecting your car.